Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Ubisoft Connect fail to synchronize cloud saves. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, in your Ubisoft Connect, you need to press on your profile icon on the top left. Then you need to go to settings and then uncheck this enable cloud save synchronization for supported games. Then you need to enable the game, play the game, and after you're done, close the game. Then go back on your profile here, go to settings and re-enable this option and look if this fixed for you or not. Go and search and look for Ubisoft Connect, right click on it, go open file location. And once you're here, then you need to go to programs and then you should see Ubisoft folder. Right click on folder, then show more options, properties, security, and then on security, you should see this option here, PC administrations and bunch more. But as far as I know, it's a wrong folder, so you need to go again, go to Ubisoft Connect, open file location, again, open file location. Then here, you should see under the program files x86, Ubisoft. So press program files x86, right click on Ubisoft, show more options, properties, and then security. And then here you should see a users. Select users, press edit, then select users, and then select full control and press apply. Okay, restart your computer, look if the problem persists or not. Next step on search, you need to write run. Then here you need to write %local app data %. Here you need to look for Ubisoft game launcher, and then you should see settings file. Right click on it, go to edit with notepad, and then here press Ctrl F and write offline. And here you should see offline false. So change false to true, and then press on the file and save. Then you can close this, then go back one time here, Ubisoft game launcher, show more options, properties, make sure it's read only. And then you need to launch Ubisoft Connect and launch the game that you want to launch in offline mode. And once you do so, once the game is launched, you can go back to run, local app data, then Ubisoft game launcher, settings, show more options, properties, or edit with a notepad, and then again, Control F, offline, and then change it to false again, like this. And then look if the problem persists or not. But these steps should fix your problem. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.